Hello, Soccer Manager 2025 Football. So this is just a manager where you hire the players and do all kinds of formations and training, and then you just send them, then automatically they play the matches. And it seems like you can also upgrade these facilities, like maybe for players or like training. Maybe it's even a gacha game where you have to pull for these players. VOF, World of Fighters. So this is like a 2D fighting game. There's like currency to buy, so you can buy either characters or cosmetics. Well, there's the fighting. Okay, so this is how the game looks. You go from left to right. Doesn't seem to be idle game. Like there's like lots of buttons for like abilities, and you control only one character. So maybe you're upgrading the stats of one character. Royal Card Clash. Okay, so this is card battler where there is like these three cards at the top, and then every time you defeat one, the new one comes up, and you draw three cards that you have to use per turn, right? And you can damage all these cards with like the number of your card, but you have to finish them with the same color. So for example, red queen, you have to kill the red queen with like a red card. For example, if it's like on 15 health, you can deal 10 damage with like a green card, but you have to deal like the finishing damage with the same color. Pixelverse. So this is some kind of a card game, so you also have this island where you can build stuff. It's probably like for trading cards and like upgrading, and there's these like maps, like levels that you have to go through. Like everything is locked, so you have to start from level 1. And there's these abilities like that you can pick, or like are these cards that need to be used, and I don't see like the resource that you need to spend, but you have to get the enemy to 0 like using the cards. So the only thing is like, is it turn-based, like with limited resource, or does like a resource like generate over time? Order and Chaos Guardians. So you need to build your team. So I assume it's like a gacha game with lots of different characters, and then you can build a team of those pooled characters and then upgrade them, and then you have to go to campaign. All just guessing, because there is not a single screenshot of the actual gameplay. So yeah. Age of Arcane, turn-based RPG. Okay, so this says that it's turn-based RPG, so it seems like you can also pull for characters, and there's this like a campaign. This seems like a mini game. This like a mining like puzzle, and you probably have to go to campaign like idle battler, like auto chess. So yeah, there is this like a flags that's like levels, and you have to defend. Like, so you have 5 characters, and then you have to defend from attackers, and then you have to reach this like a portal, right? ZomBlast. So this is kind of like Defender, but enemies are coming in waves, and you have to kill them, level up, and then you can pick new upgrades, like different weapons. And then there's also bonuses that spawn. It's like a 5 and 3 battles. Sherlock mystery merge games. So this is point and click, I guess hidden object game, or maybe just like a merge game. Well, I see this is like a mini game. It's like lock picking, so I guess there's like a lot of mini games. And this is like a find differences, or like a hidden object game. Seems nice. And those are all Android games for today. Link to Google Play Store page for all these games in the description. Okay, see ya.